Let's talk about side hustles, but we're not talking about the traditional DoorDash, Instacart, nothing like that. I will be showing you 3 different side hustles you can do directly from your couch, so you never have to leave your home and you get to choose to work whenever you want. So if that sounds good to you, make sure that you're sticking around until the end of this video. Before we get into today's video, let me introduce you to our sponsor. So there's this new app called HireRect, and they help you find remote jobs that will be tailored to your own experiences and what you're looking for. The top 3 reasons why I love this app and why you need to sign up with it today is number 1, transparency. Every company within this app is verified, and not only that, but they must list their salary or their hourly rate. So you'll know exactly how much you can expect to get paid before applying to the job. Secondly, they are super quick. Most hiring decisions are made within 24 hours, so there's no long wait for you to hear back from the hiring managers or the CEOs. And lastly, this app is super convenient. You don't have to be scrambling through your emails trying to figure out if someone responded to you or not. All correspondence is handled directly within the app, so you can even chat directly with the CEOs or hiring managers of that company. And you will also be notified when they respond. If you're in need for some more remote or work from home jobs, then you can head over to my description box where you will find the link to download the HireRect app. All right, now let's get back into the video. What's up, moneymakers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and we talk about all things money. So in this video, like you got from the intro, we will be going over 3 different side hustles that don't require you to leave your home. Now, all 3 of the websites that I'll be showing you today have something in common. They all bring together freelancers and brands who are looking for help with their content or their social media posts. These brands are looking for freelancers to help them with anything from customer service, community management, to content writing, to social media posting. So I'm sure that there's going to be something in this video that will interest you. And all that I ask in exchange is that you like this video, and also, if you're not yet subscribed, to go ahead and subscribe. So this supports me as a content creator, and that's all that I'm asking you for today. So now let's just go ahead and jump into the first website. This first website is called Skyward, and I'm going to take you through their website just to show you what you can expect and what type of work you can be doing. So again, all of these companies are going to revolve around content. So this is a third-party company that connects freelancers with different brands to help them with their content. Most of their clients are going to be business owners, since this is a business-to-business type of work. So what you do as a freelancer, what they're expecting is to help with customer experience, to create high quality content, and also to create content that is going to attract and convert their brand's audience. So this is why the brand is paying this company or paying you as the freelancer, because they want to use content in order to drag in more customers to their business. Now I'm going to take you through the application process for a freelancer. So you have to click on Freelance for Us. And what they're looking for is writers, graphic designers, videographers, photographers, and any other creative skill that is going to help with creating content and turning followers into customers. So that is basically the entire agenda with this website to help brands. So that is what you're going to come in as a freelancer. So if you're good with writing, like a lot of you are, then this is going to be something great for you. And also you can see here that they have a lot of opportunity for people in other nations. So this is not just secluded to the US and Canada. So they said that they're open to 59 other nations. Now, I do not know the specifics on that, and if you would like to know, please go and visit the website. So like I said, this is all the information I know. You can go into the frequently asked questions section here. To sign up, you click on the I want to freelance, and it's going to take you through a couple of questions, and they're also going to want you to choose what it is that you're interested in. So writing, videography, photography, designing. And then after that, you would have to just go through the normal process that you would with signing up for any type of job. They do want to see a resume, a cover letter, and a portfolio. Now hold up really fast. If you're enjoying this video and if you're liking this type of content, go ahead and leave your favorite emoji in the comment section below for me. I always say you can leave me a smiley face, a heart, a thumbs up, or whatever your favorite emoji is. Just go ahead and leave that in the comments now. Okay, I won't take up any more of your time. Let's go ahead to the next website. The second side hustle that I came across was from a website called Mod Squad. And just like Skyward, which was the first website, they do the same thing where they're a third-party company that connects freelancers with brands to help them with content creation. Now, this website more so specializes in customer experience. So the positions that they'll be looking for is content moderators, customer support, to offer trust and safety, community management, and any other type of social media related positions. So you will be called a mod, which just means an agent or a freelancer who works with the company. Now, like I said before, the reason why this website is a little bit different than the others is because they specialize more so in customer service, customer support, community management, which is probably going to be most of the positions that are open. Now, you do get to control how much you want to work, when you want to work. You also are working 100% remotely. You can choose your own projects and set your own schedule. And you can also choose to do this full-time, part-time, or like I said, even as a side hustle. So this is a great company for people who are looking for customer support jobs or anything related to social media management, etc. And if you're looking for something flexible, this is a great website for you. When you click on Join the Mods, you're going to see their whole application process, and it really looks very simple. Again, you will need a resume or a cover letter, and also you're just going to fill out things like your personal information, any social media or LinkedIn links that you might have, and they are going to ask you for your location and things of that nature. Now, based off of the questions that they ask in the application, I am assuming that they are looking for U.S. residents. So if you are outside of the US, don't worry, stick with me to the next website. And also I have a list of 100 work from home jobs that you might be interested in. The next online side hustle is going to be from writerswork.com. So what you do is you get paid as a freelancer of any skill level to write content-based pieces. This includes general content that will go on websites, landing pages, or even doing some proofreading. This can also be blogging, copywriting, or doing smaller projects such as social media posts. You get to decide what kind of content you want to create and what type of pieces you want to work on. So to apply and be accepted, you have to be 18 years or older. You must have a reliable internet connection. You also must have good customer service. Now, according to the website, they will pay $20 to $65 per hour, depending on your skill level. And lastly, you get to set your own hours and work 100% remotely. So those are the requirements and what you can expect from Writers Work. So if this is something that sounds good to you, go ahead and apply. I have covered this same website previously, so if you want a deeper dive and you want to know all the ins and outs about the website before visiting and applying, then you can go ahead and check out that video. We've gone over all 3 side hustles. However, if you didn't find something that interests you or that calls to you, do not worry. I do have a list of 100 work from home jobs that you might be interested in. So all you have to do is go into the description below and you'll find a link that says 100 work from home jobs. Click on that and it's going to take you to my website. And don't forget that if you're a US resident and you want to find your dream work from home job, then you can visit the HireRect app by simply going into my description below and clicking that link there. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching until the very end of this video. And also, if you want some more money making tips, make sure that you check out these 2 videos here. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next one.